Many atheists say that the Earth is 4.5 billion years old, but this is easily disproven by fossils. The Bible provides a complete genealogy from Adam to Jesus. You can go through the genealogies and add up the years. You'll get a total that is just over 4,000 years. Add the 2,000 years since the time of Jesus, and you get just over 6,000 years since God created everything. Is there anything wrong with figuring out the age of the Earth this way? No. There is nothing to indicate the genealogies are incomplete. There is nothing to indicate God left anything out. There's nothing in the Bible that indicates in any way that the Earth is much older than 6,000 years. The Bible does tell us, however, that the fossils we find could not have been buried before God created Adam. The animals whose bones became fossilized had to have died after God created Adam. That means that those fossils must be less than 6,000 years old. Here's why. How do we get fossils? This is the first piece of evidence. The animal has to first die to become a fossil. That's rather obvious. Yes. And when did death enter this world? Not until Genesis chapter 3, when Adam and Eve disobeyed God. So up until that time, neither people nor animals died. So based on the Bible, there could not have been any bones to create fossils until after the fall from grace. Here's another biblical reason why the fossils we find could not have been buried before God created Adam. When we examine fossils, in some of them we see evidence of sickness, disease, and cancer. There is evidence of violence and of one animal eating another, so there were some problems. Not everything was good. Yet at the end of day 6 of creation, God saw all that he had made and beheld. It was very good. This comes from Genesis chapter 1, verse 31. God didn't call his creation just good, he called it very good. A world with sickness, disease, cancer, and violence is not good, so the fossilized bones we find and had to have come from the animals that died after God created Adam and after the fall.